Hello, my name is Gibson Munene and I'm a web developer at African Blockchain Initiative. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the ABI Crypto Simulator. So what exactly is the ABI Crypto Simulator? The ABI Crypto Simulator is a simulation of what exactly happens in the cryptocurrency world. At ABI, we believe not just in the power of content, but the power of practicality. Our crypto simulator gives you a chance to practice your investment skills. Through our three cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, you're able to get a feel of how to invest in the cryptocurrency world. Let me take you through our crypto simulator. Once you log in, you have access to real-time data of what has been happening in the cryptocurrency world. Here we give you data in hours, minutes, and days. On our three cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, you're able to follow graphs of what has been happening in the cryptocurrency world on real time. Now click on the dashboard and click on the trade tab. Here, you are able to buy cryptocurrencies and sell cryptocurrencies. On the buy side, you get a chance to select which cryptocurrency you want to buy, and then once you select the cryptocurrency, enter the amount of money and then click on buy. Once your transaction is successful, click on the navigation bar again and go to your dashboard. Here on the dashboard, you are able to track your investment journey. We give you your ABI cash amount, your current Bitcoin cash amount, your Ethereum amount, and your Litecoin amount. On the right side, we give you graphs of your investment journey, where we show you how you have been investing over time. Down there, we give you a list of our crypto giants, people who have been investing in the cryptocurrency world for a long time, people you can learn from. Now click on the navigation bar and click on the current news tab. Here we give you latest news of what is happening on the cryptocurrency world. These news are given in 3 hours intervals. Every time we send you news and notifications of what is happening in the cryptocurrency world and how these and predictions of how these might affect cryptocurrencies. Now you know how the crypto simulator is working. Thank you.